Hello, my fellow FND champions, warriors. I'm Matthew, and like you, I've had FND since my symptoms started in 2018. And what I want to do today is just invite some of you to come experiment with me in a workshop around something that I've been using to help me recover and try to find balance with my FND, and it's been working. And what this is it's an embodiment practice. And you say, oh, embodiment practice. This seems like, oh, you want to use your body and our body's not working. Well, with this practice, what I found is that it's very flexible and adaptable to where you are with your mobility, and you can adapt it to that. And what the key thing is it starts with the body. So we're able to go into the body and focus and bring our awareness to our body first. And then we can get up into our thoughts, our mind, and our emotions. And a lot of the practices and things out there kind of start the other way around a bit. So let's think about it and then figure how we go. But this is really nice, is that our challenges, our body and our mind is not connecting. Well, let's first start with the body and say, okay, what's going on with the body? And just let the body start to speak, and then start to listen to that and what it wants to open up for us. And I've been finding that's really helpful. One of the things it's helped me deal with the acceptance of the FND and not fighting it so hard. And, all the emotions that we have, right, around having to deal with this. And so what I would like to do is have this workshop with some of you to explore, is this possibly something that I can bring to the community? And that would be an extra resource for the community as well. As I know, when we look around, there's not a lot of resources, a lot of things out there for us. And I kind of came onto this and wasn't sure, but it seems to be working. Like for me, I found a way to be able to connect to my body and say, oh, I'm starting to feel a bit off right now in this moment. So going through some of the embodiment exercises, I can come back into my body and start to keep that shift from happening so that I don't go off balance, and stay in, whereas, or at least the episode, I call them episodes, it doesn't become as big as it used to be, right? So that they're smaller episodes, or I can stop them from happening, by being able to tap into that. So I would love to have some of you join me and being able to explore and seeing if this is something for the community and useful. I found it very beneficial. So the one thing is, if you are somebody who is easily triggered for epileptic seizures and things like this, maybe right now at this moment it's not going to be the best place, because I don't have any protocols around seizures and epilepsy and things like this, so it may not be right now the safest environment for you. But if you're not so easily triggered in that way, then I think it could be something interesting for you to explore. So just go up into the text that joins this video and find there's 2 dates there. Choose one and then click the link that follows that, and then just to register yourself, and I'll send you the information about where we're going to connect on Zoom. So I look forward to meeting some of you, maybe hear a little bit about where you are in your journey, and yeah, excited to see. So I'll hope to see you soon, and bye for now.